The pattern can be is used to say that it is possible for someone to be a particular person. Examples: I can be a teacher. I can be a nurse. You can be a pilot. You can be a manager. He can be a ballet dancer. She can be a mechanic. We can be leaders of the world. They can be parents who can produce good leaders. Mary can be a doctor if she works hard for it. The politicians can be leaders who can affect change in the society. The noun in this pattern can be preceded by an adjective. Examples: I can be a good teacher. I can be a talented actress. You can be a powerful singer. You can be an excellent manager. He can be an honest politician. She can be a thoughtful and passionate nurse. We can be future leaders of our generation. They can be graceful dancers on stage. Bella can be an intelligent student. Chrissy and James can be a great dancing pair. The pattern can be plus adjective is used to say that it is possible for someone to have a particular quality. Examples: I can be strong. I can be smart. You can be nice. You can be trustworthy. He can be frugal. She can be friendly. We can be honest. They can be brave. Mark can be healthy. Jessica and Kathy can be courageous. The pattern can be plus preposition is used to say that it is possible for someone to be in a particular place or location at a particular time. Examples: I can be there in 10 minutes if you want. I can be in your position if I want to. You can be under the bed in a few seconds. You can be at the airport at 9 a.m. He can be inside the room any minute now. She can be here in 10 minutes. We can be on the plane now. They can be on the stage to perform. Kim can be on top of the tree after a few minutes of climbing. Tony and Angel can be on top of the mountain in 3 hours. Use can't be plus noun to say that it is impossible for someone to be a particular person. Examples: I can't be a pilot anymore. I can't be a singer because I have no talent for singing. You can't be a teacher because you have no patience. You can't be a gardener forever. He can't be a good driver because he has no sense of direction. She can't be a musician. She can't even read notes. We can't be lawyers. They can't be politicians. Jinky can't be a beauty queen because she's short. The boys can't be athletes. Can't plus be plus a or an plus adjective plus noun. Examples: I can't be a fast swimmer because of my body. I can't be a loyal friend. You can't be a good master. You can't be a fair judge for this competition. He can't be an honest politician. She can't be a passionate teacher because of her personality. We can't be quiet neighbors because we have so many dogs. They can't be efficient workers because of their work ethics. Sheila can't be a creative writer. Wilma and Jade can't be lousy lawyers because they're brave. Can't plus be plus adjective. Examples. I can't be strong. I can't be smart. You can't be jealous. You can't be selfish. He can't be weak. She can't be noisy. We can't be boring. He can't be that senseless. Use can't be plus preposition to say that it is impossible for someone to be in a particular place or location at a particular time. Examples. I can't be there in 10 minutes. I can't be with you today. You can't be at my house always. You can't be on top of the class. She can't be on your doorsteps in 10 minutes. She needs more time. We can't be there in time for your performance. They can't be under the tree even for a minute because of the heat of the sun. Myra can't be home for Christmas. Giselle and Kim can't be at the airport for their flight to Paris because of the traffic jam.